Welcome back to the Countdown Quickie, where I give you a trending topic in a jiffy. And I'm sure by now you get the gist, you know. Berry just decides him not go come back in studio. And of course, as always, danger has to take over. So without further ado, let's get right into today's topic. Now, I am going to call this topic Sandz over the wall. Over the wall, over the wall. So recently, the Sandz Caribbean Music Festival took place in New York, and some of the ticket holders alleged that they were locked out of the venue for whatever reason. I'm not sure what exactly happened, but you know how these parties work. So sometimes there can be a lot of patrons outside waiting and it gets a bit hectic. But some persons complained that they were locked out of the event. And you know what the people them do? The people them decide that they were going to take matters in their own hands. They jumped over the fence. Can you believe it? They literally took the barriers that were set up there, rested it on the wall, climbed up on the barriers and jumped over the fence. Listen, this is what I call Caribbean badness. Even though it is not guaranteed that all patrons there were from the Caribbean, it's as if because the entire festival is a Caribbean one, the badness from the Caribbean just rub off upon the people them and them say, you know what? I am going to jump over this fence. Yes! Nobody cannot stop me. I cannot get in, so I am going to jump over. That is it. And if you don't believe me, take a look. Wow, look at that. You know what I find so funny about this entire incident? It's the fact that mostly women are jumping over the fence. Because trust me, as a dolly, imagine putting on your hair, your makeup, your lash. Some of the ladies even put on bottom to come to this event looking hot like a 10 fireside, just to find that they have to come now and jump over the fence to get into the event. And it's like the men just say, you know what? I am going to sit back and leave this to the ladies because I am going to hold on to my pride and I'm not going to do this. And to make matters even 10 times funnier, the Tropics on Instagram decided that they were going to come up with their own series of memes based on the incident that took place. People just take a look. This is absolutely hilarious. You tell me now, people. Imagine you were at the event jumping over the fence and the next morning you wake up, you see yourself all over the internet as a meme. One thing with us Caribbean people, we don't take anything seriously, because what Sandz is going to have to do is to ensure that this incident does not take place again. What eventually started to happen was that NYPD came in on the scene and they were threatening to lock down the entire party based on what patrons were doing. And so Sandz is going to have to come out now with some sort of extra security, or maybe they might just have to build up the fence a tad higher so that persons aren't able to come in that easily next time. But anyway, people, sound off in the comment section below. Do you believe that the patrons were right for what they did? Or if you bought a ticket to go into this event and you got locked out of the venue, what would you do? Because really and truly, you know, imagine you come to this event that you pay your good up money for enter into, and when you reach them telling you that you cannot come into the venue, Excuse me? Let me know what your thoughts are. Sound off in the comment section below. That is it for today's Countdown Quickie, and I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey, over the wall, hey, over the wall.